everyone, Juju is here. As I already previously promised, addition to the 4 yoga sequences I already posted on the YouTube channel, hoping that they will help you to release your lower back pain, there is one more extra, there is one more bonus video connected to this topic. In this bonus video, I share 2 tips with you which hopefully helping to bring a little bit of more release to your lower back pain. One is massage related and the other is food related. First, let's talk about the massage. Probably you already seen opened an anatomy book and you've seen beautifully isolated muscles on the drawings. In real life, the body is one system, everything is connected with everything. So yes, it could happen that you have a pain in one part of the body, but the real problem, the issue what causes the pain is in other part of the body. Following this logic, today I will introduce you a really simple massage for the soles of the feet. Yes, you heard it very well. We will massage the soles of the feet. If you have a doubt, this is the best moment. Just stay with me and give a try. You might be surprised. So here we are. I introduce you my left foot. I dressed up my left foot today to show you which area of the sole of the foot I recommend for you to massage when you have lower back pain. So when you're flexing your foot, you can find this bone. You can find this big bone at the end. This is basically the end of your big toe. And where you see the edge of the sock, basically following this line, and after the outer edge of the foot. And after where the heel bone ends, again there is a dip again, and I'm going through this point by point, and after the inner arch. This is the magic weapon. I move this ball, basically I place it in one point, and I add a little bit of weight, and after move a little bit, add a little bit of weight, stay there a little bit, again stay there for a couple of moments, and this is how I'm moving through. So I'm not just rolling and massaging my foot, but stay point by point by point. Okay? So basically how it looks when I do the massage. Find the root of the big toe and just try to relax my foot and stay like this. The ball is a little bit soft-ish, is made from rubber. The size is like a golf ball, but is much softer than a golf ball. But of course it's not super soft because my body weight is on. I need to be able to hold this weight. And after I move a little bit, you can move into any direction. Move a little bit and again, just giving the weight of my body. Not all of them, because there are some points which can be super painful. And try to relax the foot. And again, just stay there for a couple of moments. If you feel if you would move a little bit further to the other side, feel free to move the ball. And after we are moving again, just a couple of millimeters further. And again, just try to relax your toes, try to relax your foot. Just giving the weight, a little bit more weight, not the full weight of the body, just a little bit more weight. Okay? And don't be surprised if you feel quite a lot of sensation, is completely normal. And after going through all 4 lines, okay? Slowly, of course. My second tip will be very delicious. I will show you how to prepare a drink called golden milk, which is not simply very tasty, but is a really strong and powerful tool to fight against inflammation, as all of the main ingredients has anti-inflammatory properties. When we have pain in our body, in the system, most of the time is accompanied by inflammation. So probably this drink will be your morning and evening beverage for 3 or 4 days. Very simply to prepare. You just need to mix all of the ingredients, warm them up a little bit, and enjoy. I will show you the way how I like to prepare, but feel free to use this idea creatively, do some Google research, find your own favorite recipe. Enjoy. The ingredients I normally use, these three are the main ingredients. All have anti-inflammatory properties, is curcuma or turmeric and cinnamon and ginger. I like to use water, but you can add milk, you can add plant-based milk. Again, it really depends on your taste. And the ingredients you can change is coconut oil, something to make it sweet. I like to use cane sugar and a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. If you like your drink a little bit more creamy, you can add nut butter, you can add banana, and just mix them everything in a mixer. I normally just warm up the coconut oil just a little bit, just enough to make it kind of warm-ish liquid. And after, just add all of the ingredients, 1 teaspoon of curcuma, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Mix them together. Of course, you can use fresh plants as well. In this case, of course, the amount is a little bit different. Make a paste, add the pinch of salt and the black pepper. If you are wondering why do we use black pepper at this drink, the answer is because it helps for the body to absorb the turmeric. Add some water or any kind of liquid, warm them up just a little bit, and basically your drink is ready. You can add anything to sweeten it. As I mentioned, I use brown sugar, but feel free to use honey or maple syrup or anything. One note about honey. Regarding Ayurveda, if you add honey to your hot drink, that will create mucus in your body. So I really recommend you to cool down your drink a little bit, and when it is lukewarm, then add your honey. Enjoy the drink, enjoy the massage. I wish you beautiful, pain-free days.